How to turn off age restriction on Discord. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step that how you can turn off age restriction on Discord. So let's dive in. First, open your browser and then you have to search for discord.com and then log in into your account, and then click these three horizontal lines on the top left corner and it's going to bring you to this page. And now click the settings gear and then you have this menu, and then it's going to bring you to this page where you have to just scroll down until you see these options: allow access to age restricted server on iOS, and you have to turn it on, and then scroll down and turn this option on that says allow access to age restricted commands from apps and direct messages. Once you turn these on, you're good to go, and that's the process that you can follow to turn off age restriction on Discord. I hope you found the process easy and liked my video, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.